Hello, welcome to my Sunday Frump. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to be making Rasta pasta. For ingredients, I have Vienna sausages, a can of Rotel. This is diced tomatoes and green chilies, no salt added. And then I have 2 packs of ramen noodle creamy chicken flavor. I also have onions. I have Parmesan and I have jerk seasoning. And the first thing I want to do is get these hot dogs in and chop them up and get them fried up. So I'll just put them in. Try not to get any sauce in them. And I'll just chop these up in the pan and give them a good fry. So I just want to get these kind of sauteed in the pan. Then we'll add Rotel. Rotel. And give that a good mix. And just like that. And then I'll put some water in here and we'll get the noodles started. I'm going to go ahead and break this up. And just throw it in like that. And we'll save these packets for later on in the cooking. Just toss in the whole crumbs and all. And we'll add the seasoning. Just break it up. Save the packet. Throw it in there. And just like that. So then we'll put this that in. Until the noodles are tender. Keep it going, and we'll be back. Okay, now we're back, and I want to add the seasoning to it, the jerk seasoning. So I'll pour in all the jerk seasoning and let that kind of dissolve before I add the other stuff, just to make sure it's all mixed up and flavored well. There you go. And that looks really good. So here, I'll add the packets of creamy chicken flavor. And pour it right in. Get this all nice and cooked up. It should thicken up real fast, and then we'll add the Parmesan and let it melt. Here I'm adding the Parmesan. Just sprinkle that right in. And then give that a really good mix as well. Let it kind of melt. So I think it's about ready. So I'll just plate up a little bit so we can taste it. Just like that. And here it is. My Rasta pasta ramen. We'll give it a little taste. That is super delicious. That's a lot of flavor. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys again. Like, comment, share, and subscribe on the next one. My son de from. Bye-bye.